Good morning, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
It is Christmas morning. This is Charlotte's third Christmas and Olivia's first Christmas.
Happy first Christmas, Olivia.
Happy first Christmas, Olivia. Okay, so here we are. Okay, now we're gonna go inside the living room to see if Santa Claus came. Charlotte's been such a good girl this year. She's been amazing this year, right, Olivia? Oh, well, you don't know. You were in Mom's belly. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. So, you've been so amazing. So, let's go see if Santa Claus came. Let's go. You want to go first?
I think you should go backwards.
Okay, I'll go backwards, okay? And you come with me. Oh, let's get Sammy. Sammy, let me see.
Sammy got his Christmas.
Sammy? What's the matter, Sammy? Are you mad at us we dressed you? Let me see you. What's the matter? Are you mad we dressed you? Let me see, guys. Let me see that smile.
Christmas.
Okay, you ready? Let's go, guys. Come on.
All right. Let's see if Santa came.
Do you think he came here?
I know he came. Okay.
You think so?
Should we turn the light on?
Yeah.
Let's see if he came, okay?
Okay, ready?
Okay. Let me know when you're ready to open your eyes.
You ready?
Okay.
I can't see yet.
Oh my goodness! He came! Look, he ate your cookies? Is there milk inside? Check. Did he drink the milk?
And he had a straw?
Charlotte put that straw for him.
Oh, there's Santa. Oh, look at this. Guys, look at this.
Oh my goodness. How many presents are here?
Wow.
Oh my goodness. You and Olivia got so many presents.
Wow.
Even Sammy got a present?
Let's see this.
Whoa. Is that Moana?
Wait, there's stuff inside the stockings?
Yeah. What do you want to check? You want to check? You can pull your stocking down and see what's inside.
That's what you wanted. What else is in there?
Is that an LOL?
Can you check in there, Olivia?
Oh, is there anything else inside your stocking?
Oh, there's more stuff in that.
Let me see.
Okay.
Let's see your cool stocking. What?
Chocolate.
What is that? What's this? Finders Keepers, LOL. Milk chocolate and surprise.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay, you know what? Hold on. Here, Mom, hold this for a sec.
I don't know if that one's yours or Olivia's, but you can start opening them because Olivia can't open gifts.
I think this one is Olivia's. You can look at TV. Here, go, Olivia. What does your TV for?
Okay, well, I think you're gonna have to open them because she's too little to open. Sammy, don't eat any candy.
Because...
You see something pink?
This is... Barbie.
What's in there? What is it? 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 What is that?
A pizza.
A Barbie pizza chef? What? That's so cool. Wow, that's really cool.
Can we keep opening them?
Yeah, you can open as many gifts as you want right now.
Oh, look, it's Teddy.
Oh, he brought you the teddy bear you asked for?
Go up first.
That's what you wanted, right?
Can I open this?
Yeah.
I can open it. I see something too.
So what did Charlie get so far? Let's see. What is this?
He brought you the wheelchair Barbie you wanted?
What? Wheelchair Barbie? Oh, hi, Sammy.
Oh my goodness.
I can't play more presents.
Yeah, keep
Daddy,
opening.
can you give me more presents back
Of
over there?
course. Let's see so far what you
No,
got.
it's big one.
What is this?
This one needs to be for me.
This is a Barbie
It needs to be for me.
pizza
I think
shop.
that one is for you.
It's heavy.
Oh my goodness.
How about it?
Okay.
Okay, let's put your chocolate on
This
the
is
high chair.
wheelchair Barbie.
How about this card? Check your socket.
We'll check mine.
I see it. I see chocolate in there.
Oh, that's Daddy's up there. What is that? What else is in Daddy's stocking?
Not yet.
That's Daddy's? Let me see that big happy face like this. Hi, Sammy. Wow, what is that?
Is that the Barbie farm? The
Let
state
me
orchard?
see that. What is that?
The Barbie silver.
Are you excited?
Oh my goodness.
I cannot wait to play with that.
You must have been the best girl in the whole wide world.
Wow. Look at this. A Barbie farm. Whoops.
You
Oh,
okay?
you okay?
You okay, sweetheart?
She's okay. She's happy. It's a big box. You're okay, right? Okay. Yeah, you want to know something? It is a very heavy box. So you know what? We'll leave it right here for now, okay?
What is that?
Laundry.
Laundry? Whoa! That's so cool. Very cool.
Can I open this one?
Yeah.
I go inside. And these are my presents.
Sandy, what are you doing over there? You playing in the paper?
My presents.
Is that a dishwasher?
A dishwasher.
Yeah, it's a Barbie dishwasher.
Two
Then.
dishwasher.
One of them is a washing machine and one of them is a dishwasher, right? Okay, do you want to open Olivia's?
Yeah.
This was in Olivia's stocking.
Where's Charlotte's stocking?
Mine is
We took the stuff out.
Oh, okay.
because I'm a two. Oh my god. So squishy.
Guys, look how cool Charlotte's stocking is. Such a cool stocking.
Look what her got.
What did Olivia get? What's inside? You want to open it?
And this is Olivia's stocking.
Olivia, look. You got your first present.
No.
Look, Mama. We put this on your car seat.
Wow.
Look, Mama. Look.
It's for me.
Whoa.
What's another
I can't
one?
believe Santa Claus bought Olivia that.
Look, Mama.
Another one? Look.
Is that a little rattle?
Sammy's laying on the wrapping paper. He's so funny.
Where?
Right behind Mom. It's just so funny.
Look, Olivia.
I can't please give me more gifts.
Yes, here you go.
That can
And you know, we'll let Daddy move this.
What's this? This is cannot believe it.
What is that?
Cannot believe it. Can it be mine?
I think that is yours.
Polly Pocket.
Polly Pocket.
What?
Polly Pocket. You got Polly Pocket.
Oh my goodness.
Santa Claus must, you must have been such a super good girl.
I think that's the Polly Pocket shopping mall.
Shopping mall, let's see. Let's put it this way.
Now can I put more presents?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see.
I can put me more presents.
More.
Mommy,
Yeah.
can I hold those in the bag? I love those in the bag. Dad.
Say hi, guys. Are you having a Merry Christmas?
Are you happy so far?
Look at this. And we're not even finished.
Oh my goodness.
Daddy, Dad.
Yeah?
Yeah, can they have those on the bear?
Of course you can.
Dad, oh, those are
Yeah. Let Daddy just move this stuff over a little bit. Okay, which ones do you want to open
the
now?
purple one on the purple bowl.
Okay, you know what? Here, Mom. Yeah, honey. Which one you want? Yeah, get grab anyone you want. Anyone you want. Anyone you want to get.
This one, Dad. I want this one.
Why?
I don't.
How do you know what's in there?
No, this one is mine.
It might be something you really, really
This one
love.
is my big cute box. Now look at. Now I can fit and go in here. And most of these.
Touchdown!
Show the daddy.
Whoa!
I bring him back. This cannot be it. This cannot be it.
What is that?
This cannot be mine. This cannot be mine.
What is that? Is that really yours? Do you think so?
Is that a snack cart? Whoa!
Guys, let me see Charlotte. Hold it up. Let's see.
Very nice. Susan.
More presents behind me.
Oh, hi, Olivia. Olivia, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
You are a few weeks old and it's already Christmas. It's already Christmas.
A vending machine?
A vending machine. Like, really? You really got a vending machine? Like, do I need to put, like, some monies inside of it or something?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Some fruits.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Wow.
Very cool.
Wow.
Very cool.
Can I open it?
You want to open it or keep opening?
How about, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open up everything first, and then we'll open up the toys and play.
Dad, can I have the purple one?
Okay, is that a good deal?
Sean
Okay.
wants the purple bowl.
Okay, hold on. Let Daddy put this up here, the small stuff, okay? So, Sammy, don't try to eat anything. Okay, Charlotte, you know what? Do you want to stay? You know what? Yes, stay over there. That's good. Here, Daddy will put this stuff over here. Here, so you have room, okay, honey?
No, I want to stay in this.
Yeah, no. So we're gonna bring more.
I have to stay in this house.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
stay.
he's gonna give you more presents.
You can stay right where you are.
And have no move this because
Okay.
Mom, can I open it?
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah,
Pick
let's open
one.
the rest of the presents, yeah? And then we'll open that one.
Honey, look at this. Look how much toys you have.
You still gotta open
Well,
3 boxes.
I don't know what they are, but I mean, look how many toys you already have.
Can we please open this one?
You wanna open that one?
Yeah, okay, listen. Here's what we're gonna do. Honey, you wanna know something? So you don't lose any small pieces and we don't throw them away by accident. Let's open up everything first, okay? And then we could open up the toys and have so much fun with
Can I
them.
open this one, please?
Is that
Just
good?
wanna open that one?
Do you wanna open one?
Yeah, this open. Then open all of them.
Okay, you know what? It's Christmas. Okay. Well, that one don't have too
Do you
many
want me to
small
open
pieces,
it for
right?
you?
Look.
Okay, guys, Charlotte is unboxing her Barbie wheelchair set.
Okay, ready?
Let me see.
Will you
Wow.
help me do it, please?
Oh, let me see the back of it first. Hold on, Mom.
And this present!
Wow.
What's inside?
Look at this.
Open it.
Stuff inside.
Here you go.
Open the other side. The other. Okay, this one, oh, it says this one's Olivia. So then that one must be yours. Open it for Olivia.
Those on the table, please.
This one needs to be mine.
This one says Olivia. Look, Olivia. Whoa. Olivia's first Christmas.
Can I see mine? Mine's cool.
Yeah, I want to see your cool one.
Mine's cool.
Oh, the birth certificate too.
And mine.
You need help, honey? You got it?
Look, I got. Mine is a big stuff.
Whoa, does that say for a bear?
I'm sorry.
Velvet.
This is
It's a
a
Barbie bear.
Barbie bear from, what do you call that?
Build-A-Bear?
Build-A-Bear. Listen, it says something.
Hi, it's Barbie.
Press her hand. Press it.
Hold on, let me make Olivia a bubble.
Ready for an adventure?
And I'll get scissors
Guys,
too. To open them.
a Barbie Build-A-Bear. Look at this. And she talks. Let's listen.
Be anything. Love my furry friends.
Wow.
Hold on, wait for me, okay?
Okay, Mom, we're waiting for you.
Okay, I'm gonna open it.
Yeah, you know what? Here, let me help you open it.
Look at, oh look at that one. The big one coming up. Service. Oh no, it's all here. Open this. I'm trying to open it.
Okay, hold on, honeys. Let me.
Can I be it? My so many presents are mine. This one is having not be joking. Cannot be joking.
Whoa, what is that?
Not be joking.
What? I see something Barbie. Barbie
One
pets?
cannot be joking.
Is that
You cannot be joking. Is that really yours?
the pet greenhouse?
Mom, did you see Charlotte's face? She went like this.
Is that the deluxe greenhouse?
Look.
Wow!
Guys, hold on. Let's check this out. What is this?
Here.
Whoops. Barbie.
No, but I said
This is Barbie Deluxe
there.
Pet
Wanna open
Set.
it now?
Here, Mom. Yeah.
These are
Right here.
this.
Oh, hi, Olivia. Good morning.
It's like a little dog.
Yeah. So that one, we're gonna.
Good morning.
And I have a dog bags on it.
Good morning.
Okay, we have a ramp over
Let's see
here.
what this is.
This is a ramp.
17 pieces. Okay. Deluxe pet set. Okay. Okay, you want to turn it around? Let's see what's on the back. Wow. What is this? Oh, it says you have some kind of elevator that goes up and down. And you could slide into the pool. You could park in the garage. The dream house includes slide, pet house. It has 4 pets, 2 rainbow pet carriers, a pool, a merry-go-round, 2 bones, a food dispenser, a convertible car, and 2 bone gibbets. Wow. And this,
That's a ramp
a ramp.
for Barbie's wheelchair.
Okay. Oh, hi, Sammy. You having a little fun in there in the wrapper?
You want me to take it off, honey?
Okay, did it.
You've been wanting that Barbie for a long time, right, sweetheart?
Okay.
I have her leaves.
Olivia, good morning. Morning, Merry Christmas.
Okay, which box are you gonna open up now?
Oh, hi, Sam. You came to join us?
Can I open my present?
When you want to know something, you have to open everything.
Dad?
Look at this. Wow.
There's a huge box behind you.
Look at
The
this.
red one. Right.
Guys, oh, look at this bear Charlotte has. Look how tall it is. Charlotte, I think the bear's taller than you. Let me see. Stand up.
Almost.
Look.
Whoa, look how tall it is. Charlotte's taller. See what's in that big one. Oh my god, it's heavy.
Whoa, be careful. There you go. Good job.
That's a big.
Okay, I am so curious to see what is inside this one.
Let me give a minute. No.
Okay, honey. Let me see what is inside this one. Wow, you're strong.
Just stand
You're
up.
like a professional present opener.
And we woke up Christmas morning and Charlotte has 60 subscribers.
Ow.
Oh, I think I know what that is. I think I know what
That's
that is.
very cool. Let me see.
I think I know what that is.
Oh, I see a picture. I see a picture. What is it? What
I
is
think
that?
I know what that is.
What is that? What? What? God bless you. God bless you.
I think it is it.
What is that?
Is that the dream camper?
This is the dream camper. I cannot believe you got the dream camper. Bless you. Can we flip this dream camper around? I gotta see this.
Mommy,
Yeah, baby.
You wanted this.
look. Oh.
Okay, fully furnished, truck, boat, house, bless you, pool, kitchen, bathroom, picnic table, bedroom, plus a loft, and a campfire, and more. Look at this.
All the presents are so
3 in 1, fits
I can't believe how many
4.
presents you have.
How many all of them out?
Wow.
You have like a million presents.
Okay, hold on.
I'm just relaxing there.
I know. Look at Sammy. Look at him. Look at him. You want to go give him a nice kiss? A Christmas kiss for your doggy? We got Sammy last Christmas. Look at this. Okay, wait. Hold on. Hey, gotta open it over here. Okay.
No. Flip it this way. Move that more.
Okay.
Need more space.
Look at all of these toys.
It's a box in there.
A box? I'm very curious. What's in there, Mattel?
Okay, you wanna move it towards me? I'll open at the top with the scissors.
Yes.
Yeah, honey? You need help opening it?
Yeah.
Here.
Okay.
Bring it towards mom.
Can Daddy open it first?
Okay, hand Daddy the scissors. Okay, be careful.
No. You cut.
Okay, guys, let's see what we got. Ready?
God bless,
Bless you.
Oh, God
Bless you.
Oh, God bless,
Bless you. There you go. Okay, you ready? It's open.
Ow, ow, ow. Can we take out?
You
Can
okay?
we take out? Oh, there's one here.
Is that the Chelsea camper? Oh my God, you got 2 campers? They can go camping together?
Look.
You got 2 campers? Are you serious? What does that say in the back? It says Barbie. It says Barbie Club, Chelsea.
Open it. You know what? I see.
You think there's something in there? Let me see.
Supposed to be packed with Sammy toy.
Sammy actually got a toy from Santa?
Oh,
I didn't think Sammy was gonna
Ow.
get... Oh, how cute.
oh, Merry Christmas, Sammy. You see, you're a good boy. Sometimes. Wow. Okay, what's next?
Oh wait, this one. You wanna open that one first?
That one.
Open
I
it.
started it for you.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Charlotte. Charlotte. So, did you like hear some kind of jingles in the house last night? Like some kind of jingle bells?
Gymnastics, Barbie.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Like serious?
Yeah.
She
Totally got that too.
She really got that.
Yeah.
Like, I wanted that one.
No.
Daddy, I don't think you've been a very good.
Let me see this one.
Good.
Barbie gymnastics.
Mommy? Daddy?
You can be anything, kids. Remember that, right? Yeah, honey? I like looking at the back of
Your
boxes.
stocking?
You can check in my stocking, of course.
I can't reach for your stocking, Dad.
You want me to check?
Yes.
But
Okay.
then check mine, okay?
Okay, you ready?
Look at the balloon.
Okay, I'm coming through. Let's check Dad's stocking. Chocolate. Thank you, Santa. I wanted Hershey's.
Oh, Mama, give me Hershey's.
Well, here you go. Can you hold this for Dad?
No, I have another one.
Oh, okay. Oh, I got socks.
No, these are not socks.
Yeah, look, Santa got me socks.
They smell me.
No, they smell very good.
Good Santa got Daddy's smelly socks.
Sammy's stocking is on naughty. Guys, should we check Mom's stocking? Charlotte. What is this? Santa left you coffee.
Yes! What I wanted!
Wow. Santa Claus left Mom a Starbucks Frappuccino.
I love it. Thanks,
Wow.
Santa.
Thank you, Santa, so much. Wow. Do you believe what kind of good girl you are for Santa Claus to bring you this many gifts?
Epiphany rising, got a lot wrong, you see bright as lightning. Already memories, now I just don't really care what you feel, what you feel.